dioxide. Carbon dioxide is something we all know and don't really like to breathe in. But there is a more dangerous twin. Just like last video, I explained how you can turn a sweet thing like water into something used in sanitation, but also something dangerous to consume, like hydrogen peroxide, I literally just filmed that video like 6 or 5 minutes ago. I'm not a big fan of that meme, trust me. But is the same thing workable with this carbon dioxide? The answer is yes, but do I add a molecule? I mean, I can, but this isn't really allowed in the world of chemistry. Carbon would have to be, I guess, positive and these negatives, since opposite forces are attracted to each other in the world of magnetic fields. Instead, I actually do the opposite of what I did last video. I remove an oxygen. Excuse me real quick. I get carbon monoxide. Now, you probably heard your parents talk about this at once. Oh, we need to check the carbon monoxide detector. Oh, I think we need to change the carbon dioxide filter. Oh, I think we need to reduce carbon monoxide emissions. Now, carbon monoxide. When our body detects carbon dioxide, it's like, hey, you're not breathing air right now. You need to get air. But carbon monoxide is different though. You inhale it, it goes down to your lungs, builds enough concentration in there. Your body doesn't detect carbon monoxide. It's like, oddly enough, I can't feel enough oxygen, but I mean, no carbon dioxide, no methane. I guess we're good. But secretly in your lungs, carbon monoxide is there, and it's poisoning you. Carbon monoxide poisoning is the most common way people die to a chemical emission in their home. This is not to spread fear. This is to spread awareness. Protect yourself from carbon monoxide. Alright, so you see, this is mainly formed from some combustion-related activity or something. Say, yeah, I really don't have any answers. Probably from cars and... Yeah, y'all thought I was looking at something online. No. I was just going by random guessing. So, yeah. Carbon monoxide, not good. Don't inhale it. Instead, inhale something your body can breathe. Oxygen. It's good. You want oxygen. You need oxygen. Now, my videos might have a budget at lower than body temperature. But is that going to stop me? No. And when I say my budget is lower than body temperature, I mean in Celsius. Because, well, I only know Celsius. Oh yeah, fun Lincoln fact. I only know the metric system. I have no idea what an inch is, a foot, yard, mile. I only know meter, gram, liter, and milli, centi, deci, base, deca, hecto, kilo. Yeah, that's all I know. It all makes sense. Like, we're gonna do a basic description on how the metric system works. So, you have the base. Base is just one. Get this hydrogen out of here. Base is just one. 1 gram, 1 meter, 1 liter. Deci and deca. deci is when you take a meter and divide it by 10. So, like, and 1 decimeter is like 1/3 of a 12-inch ruler for the American audience I'm probably getting listened to by. 1 decimeter is about 1/3 of a ruler. Oh. It's gonna be hard to see. This is a 1-foot ruler. Of course, I don't know what a foot is. I do see the inches. I do see a foot. 13 inches. Oh. So right where my thumb is, right here, is where 30 centimeters is. This is 1 decimeter. This side is a decimeter. Centimeter. Millimeter. You see, it works by tens. So like a meter would be like, I'd say like 2/3 of my wingspan. Well, arm span. I don't freaking know what it's called. But like, this is about what a meter is. Decameter, that's 10 meters. Hectometer, 100. Kilometer, 1,000 meters. A millimeter, 1 meter divided by 1,000. Centimeter, 1 meter divided by 100. So yeah, it's a little bit of a metric. So yeah, half of this video is about carbon monoxide, and half of this video is about the metric system. And I love the metric system by heart. It's the only system that actually makes sense. I'm gonna be honest. Like, 12 is just a random number. See ya.